Welcome to the early edition on REGGAE My Lighties. I'm your host Cool T. The early edition brings you the latest news, the earliest. First up in the early edition, People's National Party Councillor Youthful Purcell has resigned following a leaked viral video which surfaced on social media showing him masturbating and exposing his rear. The councillor for the Yorktown division in Clarendon earlier this week said that he had reported the leaked video to the cybercrime police and that he has had several meetings with the People's National Party regarding his future in the organization. We can now reveal he has submitted his resignation letter, which has been accepted by the constituency committee. Minister Marion Hall has hit back at her critics who say her recent dress code is too raunchy. The criticisms came after Minister Marion Hall released the cover art for her new single I Am Doing Better. Minister Hall on the cover art can be seen dressed in a full black jumpsuit with mesh at the top, revealing her belly, which drew backlash from some on social media. However, Minister Marion Hall says who God bless, no man curse. And in an interview with the Jamaican Star, she says, I care zero about them because I know God is doing a new thing in me. I'm definitely not paying any attention to the noise on social media. Social media is a place where the devil resides. I mean, people of God, yes, we are trying our best to make a change concerning that, but I'm not even paying any attention over there. That was Minister Marion Hall in an interview with the Jamaican Star, dismissing those questioning her fashion statements. Criticisms aside, Marion Hall is looking forward to releasing her new single, Blessed Body, which will be coming soon. Now, the track is expected to be a celebration of her body as a gift and the temple of God. She is also booked to perform at Reggae Sumfest in July. Dancehall legend Bounty Killer continues to receive a beating from Afrobeat fans for comments he made in an interview with I Never Knew TV. In the interview, Bounty Killer says Afrobeat is not comparable to dancehall because dancehall is way older than Afrobeats. Here's a clip of what Killer had to say, courtesy of I Never Knew TV.
Yeah, Afrobeat has nothing to do with dancehall. Afrobeat is another genre. Yeah, Afrobeat never came in competition with dancehall or came with intent to take something from dancehall. I don't know why people kept on comparing Afrobeat and dancehall. Why? Afrobeat is like a baby from dancehall. It's a relative. Afrobeat and Jamaican music is similar music, African and Jamaican music, and I'm so happy for Afro. Music originates in Africa. It's just the topics. Dancehall artists don't have any topics. They are stupid. They are singing some regional thing, some corner argument. They're not singing old argument where every household understands what this means. Chopper arguments, come up and corner, that not related. People can relate to that in every nation and every country. How far that goes? Fool. People are sing for around the road. So that's why Afro have topic. Afro don't even have lyrics. Afrobeat don't even have no lyrics. They have a lot of melody, groove, and topic. Yeah. That a lyrics? No, it's a topic. Yeah. We know what yeah mean. Yeah. Just a topic and the melody. Yeah. Style, melody, topic. Simple. Look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Can you feel my only lyrics that you know comparing to Burna Boy? Yeah, no. And yeah, is a bigger song, you know. And yeah, he is if he catch, you know, has so much lyrics.
Well, those comments seem to have struck the wrong chord among Afrobeat fans, with several of them pulling the big stick to hammer Bounty Killer. One Afrobeats fan bashed Bounty Killer, saying, Bounty Killer, you're playing with fire. You want to cruise? I don't know if it means curse. We are here to curse or cruise with you. Comparing dancehall with Afrobeat, the Jamaican weed is fading out. But fellow dancehall artist Cranium was quick to quell the fire and defended Bounty Killer by clarifying what the warlord meant. On Twitter, Cranium said he didn't diss Afrobeat, he dissed dancehall being too difficult to understand. The word "even" means we don't need or barely depend on the context. and is talking about that specific hook. It's sad someone only cut this to create tension. Now, clearly there's a misunderstanding and a misinterpretation of what Killa was saying, because he gave Afrobeats a credit for having good melodies, and the artists have been talking on topics. They have been topical, and that is why Afrobeats is bigger than dancehall currently on the international stage. So really and truly, it was more of a reality check for dancehall rather than a disrespect to Afrobeats, because clearly Killa was expressing his love for Afrobeats music. And sailing out into the Far East, popular Japanese sound system Mighty Crown is pulling the plug on its career. Now, the Far East sound system is set to retire in 2023 after 32 years of spinning records. The selectors of Mighty Crown decided to string down the sound due to what they deem is a radical change in the dancehall climate. In an interview with Dancehall Mag, Mighty Crown's manager Garfield Chin Bourne says the current state of dancehall is not in line with the principles of Mighty Crown. He says, "The challenge with continuing is being forced to play songs that don't speak of your experiences and dancehall lifestyle. For example, Mighty Crown's generation smoked weed, so the sound enjoyed playing ganja songs because they felt their lyrical content. It was a major part of the dancehall lifestyle. We are weed smokers, we don't do drugs, so how do we endorse songs about doing drugs? If you want to perform at your best, then your performance must be real. It's critical because the realness shows in your presentation. Mighty Crown doesn't live today's dancehall lifestyle." Now, Mighty Crown started their final round tour in Japan recently and is set to play in the United States, Canada, and the Caribbean before calling it a day, retiring after 32 years in the industry. The sound system was founded in 1991 by friends from Yokohama in Japan. Selectors Master Simon, Sammy T, Koji, and Ninja created their legacy, winning several World Clash titles with Mighty Crown over the years. And finally, on the international scene, Soul's duo, the Isley Brothers, are locked in a legal battle over a trademark. Rudolph Isley is taking his brother Ronald Isley to court because of Ronald's alleged unfair handling of the group's trademark that he secretly registered in his name and allegedly continues to gain profits from. According to TMZ, 82-year-old Ronald Isley owns the trademarks of the legendary music group, which he said he founded. But his older brother Rudolph, who is 83, in his lawsuit claims Ronald conducted business transactions without his knowledge and pocketed all the money after secretly registering the name the Isley Brothers in 2021. In his lawsuit, Rudolph wants the court to declare the trademark the Isley Brothers is jointly owned and wants Ronald to account for and pay 50% share of proceeds derived from the trademark. Rudolph and Ronald Isley are the remaining members of the original group, founded in 1954. The third brother and member O'Kelly Isley died in 1986. The group is known for hits like the 1959 single Shout and Busted, which was written and produced in 2003 by R. Kelly. Now, that's it for this episode of Early Edition on Reggae My Lighties. I'm your host, Cool T. Remember to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell to get the videos as soon as them drop. Share and like this video. Until next time, I'm your host, Cool T.